Okay. What is the incident management? Incident. What is the meaning of incident?
Reporting an issue.
Reporting an issue. Okay, issue reporting as an incident. Okay. Now, what is the problem?
So like if
One
any
instant,
users are
same
facing
type of issues
same issue.
raising multiple times.
Yes.
Same type of issues rising multiple times.
Raising multiple times.
Okay, I'll write it here. Okay. Good. What else?
The error or challenge facing while accessing any application or anything.
It can be an issue also, no?
So the underlying cause of one or more incidents.
Okay.
So same incident happen many people, sir. Many people or many users.
So same incident for multiple users. Okay. Another example. Another thing. Okay. For more people. What else?
Let's take the example of our PO. Suppose the instance is gone, right? So that can be considered as a problem.
Can you please repeat it, sir?
We are having an instances issue, right? For all of the users, many of the users,
So
that can be called
same
as a
issue for
problem.
more
Yeah.
people. Okay. Good. Covered.
Correct.
Someone about to try something.
Yeah, I'm saying that incident that issue that can affect the whole organization that is critical.
So it is issue more like critical, correct? Okay, critical issue. Good. What else?
An unplanned interruption of work.
Okay, interruption to work. Interruption. What is the spelling? Interruption to service. Okay, good. What else? Okay, so see here, the simple thing is, okay, if you just see issue remains if you remains from a certain period of time. Okay, so longevity. Okay, good. Issue, okay, exist for a long time. Very good. Okay.
Identifying the issue.
Okay, very good. So see here, okay, every of your definition is also matching to incident also. Is it correct statement? All the definitions that we written here this is the definition for incident also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we are also thinking the same definition for problem also, correct? So I'll tell you one example. Okay, anyone know here service desk, help desk, service desk? Anyone are from service desk here? No one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So for service desk, what is the first main service that you will normally support? Password reset. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the meaning of password reset, everyone? Okay. So let's say in an organization of 50,000 people or okay 10,000, 20,000 people, if any long weekend comes, especially very carefully understand this is really happens. If any long weekend comes, okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, holidays, Dasara, Deepavali, okay, Saturday, Sunday, right? So Monday morning, the amount of calls that service desk people will get is huge. Okay, the reason is forgot password. Do you know that, everyone? Everyone, do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Is that correct, ma? Whoever said I am from service desk, is that correct statement? You agree to me?
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Agree.
Others, everyone understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, same issue okay, causing multiple times. Every Monday it is causing. Same issue causing for multiple people. So can this be considered as a problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Service desk person, can this be considered as a problem? Whoever said yes, service desk?
Yes, I think yes.
No.
We can implement some self-service
Okay,
portal for resetting.
right. So a problem have some complexity, severity, huge impact on the service. Okay, resetting a password cannot be considered as a problem. It is still a incident because the severity is very less. Okay, the other way of telling is one server, a critical server is there. Okay, so maybe our company is Air Force. Our company is Air Force. Okay, airplane related. Okay, airplane related company, our company, and we are all employees of this company. Okay, and it will, that service needs to be too much sensitive. Not every service, ticketing service. Okay, this service, that service is okay, but there are some critical services will be there. Okay, let's say stock market. What if stock market, the BSE, NSE, okay, New York Stock Exchange, they will be running on the servers, correct? What if one server goes down for just 20 minutes? What happens? What happens if a New York Stock Exchange server is down?
Will impact the country's economy.
There will be huge impact on
Huh,
revenue
okay,
of the market.
the same server, okay, the same type of server, but a normal server. It is not a New York Exchange server, okay, it's a normal server in the same company, and two applications are connected. And the two applications are also normal applications, not like ticketing application, onboarding application, okay, Sensex related applications. In that case, if the server is down, can you also consider that issue as same New York Stock Exchange issue?
No.
No.
No, sir.
So that is an issue. That is an issue, and this is an issue. But first one can be considered as a problem. Second one can consider as a normal issue. Is that justified now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Email server.
Email server. Okay. So email server also depends on, okay, this complexity of the particular platform. Seema, there is no particular definition for something here. It is a dynamic definition, right? In my organization, if email is down, maybe we'll wait for half an hour, no issues. Let's say like this. But what if it is a onboarding, offboarding of flights, right? So one ticket, you booked one ticket, the email is not received. Okay, so you just put that you know, before you go to that flight now, you do something called check-in, correct? What if check-in is delays? The check-in service is delayed. It is not working. Half an hour it didn't work. Correct? If check-in service didn't work for half an hour, what is the impact, ma? People will can board the flights in time. Yes,
No, high critical.
high critical. Correct. So it depends. It always this particular scope of problem will always change based on the criticality. Very carefully see critical, severity. These things comes into picture. Okay, password reset. 100 people, 1,000 people raised it. Okay, so what if you called me? Okay, I am a service desk agent. You called me. Hello. Okay. Hi, ma'am. How can I help you? Okay. My password is locked. I forgot my password. Okay, then what is your name, ma'am? Okay, my name is this. Okay, so can you please confirm your date of joining, ma'am? Okay, can you please confirm your employee number? Okay, and few more things, mother name, father name. Okay, so after confirming everything, what I will do from my side is I will open Active Directory. Okay, I will open your account, and then I will just uncheck this box. So it will reset my it will reset your password. If it is locked, means it will be checked. If you try 3 times, 4 times wrongly, after third time it will come here and then lock automatically. So you call me, okay, you identified, then I will unlock and then I will tell you back, says, ma'am, please try after 5 minutes. So can it be considered as problem?
No, sir.
Everyone understanding now? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, nice. Okay, any questions here in this part? Anyone, any questions?
No, sir.
So by the way, jobless people, no? Let's say, okay, sir, I don't have job. I am BTech passed out, right? I should not suggest like this, but to enter into IT, no, there are so many small tracks, small tracks will be there. Okay, if you have a nice communication, and if you can able to go and enter into IT with some little less salaries, choose service desk as your career option. Okay, I'm not how to say, I don't want to say like other way. Okay, I want an IT job. I want to enter into IT. That's my primary goal. Later I will learn something and then I will jump into. But I need a job. Even if they give 15,000 also fine for a month. So try for service desk or application support or small things like this. Okay, there are plenty of jobs like this where manpower is less and their activities also will be less, not much technical. Help desk, okay, local service desk, okay, everything. Once you step into IT, later you can groom yourself after 1 or 2 years of valid experience and then jump into a nice technology. Okay, everyone know this? Aware of this one? Anyone aware of this one? Jobless people? Anyone suggested like this, by the way? No one suggested.
Some are telling Scrum Master.
Scrum Master? No, I don't suggest Scrum Master. Why is because handling, you know what is Scrum Master? Handling the Scrum process, a development team is there, a Scrum Master is there. He needs to gather the requirement, he needs to create the stories, he need to assign this, okay, assign the stories to the people and prioritize them, okay, running the Scrum process to make sure that the deliveries are happening in time. It's almost like a team lead, process lead. I can't even spell my name in English. How can I do that kind of process for oriented job if I am jobless person? Understood my everyone?
YouTube batch. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm trying to say jobless people who are getting scared of like confident, okay, technology, communication and all. Just try these kind of options also. Okay. If you get a chance, then jump into, that's it. That's what I'm trying to advise you. Okay. Good. Now, service desk. Keep it in mind. Okay. And if you are recommending someone also who are jobless and all, don't directly recommend like data science, AI and all. Okay. These kind of small things also you can recommend. Clear? The message is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now come back. Okay. Problem. You understood now the severity of an incident. Okay. Can be treated as a problem. Okay. So if your organization is having a problem management in Servicenow system, then you will start creating problems also. But handling the problem management is not such an easy task. Okay. If you have problem management in system, okay, you should have a separate team to monitor, who will monitor them. That is the first thing. And there is a process here. Okay. Identification, RCA, fixing, okay, root cause analysis, RCA. Okay. then documenting, closing, testing, they need to be done in very aggressive manner. Here we don't have any SLS. Okay, a server, critical server is down. You can't come up and say, give me 8 hours. I'm just going for tea. I'll come back and then do it. No. Okay. So generally, problem management, no one dare to take it. But if you have problem management, problems will be created. Okay. So now, just a brief introduction about problem management. Now, from this, let's take a situation. Okay. One server is there. Okay. And basing on the server as a backend, there are 5 front-end applications are there. Client server model. Okay, server is the backend. 5 applications which are relying on the server front end. Okay. Now what happened is during the weekend the server is upgraded. Okay, they will apply patches and upgrades and all during the weekends. Okay, so they did it. Okay, so when they did it, now people started coming from Monday and then started using these applications. Okay, let's say one of the application is there. Okay, the application name is SKFacts. Okay, learning app. Okay, now one of the student brought a full course. Then he started playing a video. Then he started seeing an error saying unable to buffer it, unable to load the video. Why is because the backend server is not supporting the communication. The backend server is up, but this front end application is not able to communicate to server and then load that particular file. Something is changed. Correct? Understood the requirement, everyone? So now I'm a normal student. I'm using this one. Okay, I got an issue. What I will do immediately? I'll create an incident. Simple, correct? I don't see it's a priority, severity, complexity, how many people. I don't start meeting everyone like you got it, I got it, you got it, I got it. Then we all 1,000 people are there. Then we raise it as a problem. We don't do all these things, correct? I'm a normal
Correct, sir.
I'm a normal end user. I just raised it because I got the pain. That's it. Incident is created. Okay. Now like this, after half an hour, okay, 200 instances created from different people to different users. Okay. So the service desk people are monitoring the tickets and then they're checking, okay, so we are getting more magnitude. Okay. Here criticality is one thing, magnitude also you can consider. Right? So more tickets are coming up. So something is interrupted. Some interruption happened. Someone said interruption happened. Okay, which is going to be mass if you just delay. In half an hour you got 200 tickets. What if we don't see and fix it in time, it may become 2000 also. Correct? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then immediately we will propose this situation as a problem case. Because here it have a chance to treat this as a problem. Severity, magnitude is getting moded. Correct? Noise is started. Right? So 200 incidents created now. So let's pick one of the incident. Okay, go here. Let's treat this as incident. Okay, go here. Right? So okay, let's say let's do like this. Okay. Very carefully see. We are going to see some new things. Okay, which are our upcoming classes. Okay. So let's say, okay, this is an application, Grammarly, okay, SKFacts, okay, like let's say like this, right? So this is very good. It's already closed. So I will pick one which is not closed, which is not cancelled. Okay. Now I'll take this this one, right? So I'm a service desk agent and a manager. Okay, now we have a situation, right? What I will do is I will take this incident, okay, and then I will start creating a problem from here. Create problem. Okay, or okay, I will go here and then create a problem. Right? So I'll create a problem here and then I will keep all of the information that whatever I have it. So the problem have some states, okay? Identifying the problem, understand the problem, root cause analysis means know where is the exact issue. Then once you know it, then fix the issue and then confirm it means resolved. Fixing means applying it and confirm it means after testing, resolve it. Finally verify and then close it. Right? So I am raising this problem, okay? So SKFacts is not working. SKFacts videos are not loading. Right? Now, first reported, if you want to point the first incident, you can point like this. Or if you don't want to, you can just ignore it. Okay? If you create from here now, automatically this one will create a problem with the same description and this one will make it as first reported. Either way you can create it, doesn't matter, okay? Save it. So, for the situation that you got it, you created a problem. Now, our topic here is, okay, 200 incidents are created, right? How you are going to track the incidents? Let's say, okay, one person is working on the fix. They found out the fix. Are you going to update all the 200 incidents saying, okay, identified the issue, it will be resolved in 4 hours? Are you going to open all the 200 incidents and then update something? No, right? You understood my point, here?
Lot of work.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we already have 200 incidents. Okay. Let's see like this. Okay. Problem is created, but 200 incidents are already there. Now, someone are working on that. Okay. They found out the issue. They reported to maybe MySQL database. Okay. Or Oracle. Okay. Some last 2 months back something happened. You remember? One patch released and then
Blue screen.
blue screen came. Correct? So like that something happened and we reported to the vendor. Then they released a patch. So during that 8 hours of time, it happened in Australia first. Means it identified in Australia first. Right? After 6 hours, it is resolved. Till the time, nothing. Just stop. Okay, in out of 10 people of a project, okay, 4 people are affected. That means no job that day. Literally. Okay. So we need to wait. So I need to update it. Okay. Microsoft confirmed me that in the another 3 hours, the patches will be released. So I need to update all these 200, na? 200 instance or 400 instance are like this, correct? Do I need to update it? Yes, no?
Add the instance in this
Okay.
list.
So what you do here in this situation is you will add all these incidents under the problem. So problem, the related instance you will add here. Add. Okay. When you say add, you can add all the relevant incidents here. Okay. So I'll just select few of them here. Okay. So maybe Servicenow. I'm just putting some filter here. Okay. No. Okay. Let's pick a kind of, so okay, hello. Okay. 1, 2, 3, something like this. I'm just picking randomly. Okay. Remove this. Closed. I'll just try to get active ones. Okay. Which makes little logically correct. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, I'll add all of this 200 to problem. Okay, so now I added this problem to incident now. Okay, so now you see, okay, issue is identified. Okay, and fix will be done in 4 hours. So I updated the problem here. Okay, Now what happens to this incident, you just see. Okay, right? So just open this, open this, open this, open this. Okay, save it. I am updating the work notes there, right? Now you just go here and then see. You got something here,
Yes.
everyone? Updated the
Yes, sir.
one second. What I updated there, what I got it here. Issue is identified. Okay, good. But I didn't get that. Something else I got it. Okay. Okay, so it is updating the priority. Okay. So what I was expecting is the same comment should come here also. Okay. Right. And the next thing is if that problem is closed. Okay. So the problem, if the problem is resolved now. So let's say I'm changing the priority here. Okay. So this change should also reflect here. Okay. And if this is resolved, these incidents also should be resolved. Or if this is closed, all these incidents should be closed. Like this, we want to make some rules here. Understanding it, ma?
Yes.
Everyone understand? So one rule example is if I update the work notes, update this, okay, take the same work notes and update it all the incidents. This is one requirement. Second requirement, if problem is closed, okay, close all the child incidents. This is another one. Understood?
Yes.
You understood the situation, everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'll end up here. Just keep this theory. Tomorrow, this rule setting, okay, when you close the problem, close the incidents. When you update the problem, update the incidents, okay. The rule setting will be done using business rule topic. Business rule. This is where we are going to start our discussion. To understand a business rule, we need to know this kind of situation first. This is the best example for business rule. We have so many examples, okay. This example will also, okay, gives us an opportunity to understand problem. We never touched a problem. Now we know a little bit of problem. Correct? Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, there are, I don't touch business tool today, but as we already discussed the problem, no, there are two types of problems. What are the two types of problems? Anyone know? Okay, proactive and reactive. What is proactive? What is reactive? What is the meanings of these two words, proactive and reactive? Any-
So, like before something has happened, if we are taking some steps, that is like proactive, and if something has happened and afterwards we are taking some steps, that is reactive.
Okay, so there is a fire. Okay, you touched it. You immediately remove your hand. That is reactive. Okay, so you don't even touch it because it's proactive. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay, so I didn't understand this one, sir. Okay, so okay, don't face the problem means don't marry. Proactive. Okay, marry, then face the problem and then leave the leave everything and then go. That is reactive. Himalayas. Okay, with
Realization.
right. So after getting every pain, then go to Himalayas. That is reactive. Burnt already. Okay. Why to marry first? Don't marry. That is proactive. Makes sense, everyone? Proactive, reactive? Yes. Okay. Now, here in the system, the example that we covered here is reactive type of problem. Issue happened, burning happening. Then you need to reactive. Okay. But proactive problems will be like this. Someone said, okay, sir, password reset we know. It is keep on repeating it. Okay. we are seeing magnitude of, okay, many things we are, like many tickets we are seeing every Monday are, can we make it a kind of, okay, maybe few days back, some 10 years, 12 years back, no, password reset is, if you see Monday morning, no, service desk, if you just go to service desk cubicle, then blah, 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 going, it will be like this. Too many calls, resolutions. Okay, cut the call immediately, another call will be waiting, and the team manager will be watching the kind of TV. There will be, you know how service desk functions are will be working. Anyone know? I was there actually.
No, sir.
Service, okay. This one will be, these things will be done only when you are in live actually. Okay. So let's say 50 people are like this. They will be taking call like this, and then they will be attending calls, and then they will be, okay, resolving the issues then and there, or they will be creating tickets. Okay. So in front of them there will be a big TV will be there. Okay. And in the TV the numbers will display. Okay. Right now these many are in queue, these many calls are in queue, these many are in waiting, these many are attempted. Okay. So the more it will be weighted now, if more are in waiting state, then the manager will come and beat you. Finish it, finish it, finish it, finish your call and then attempt it. Because what happens is, I call you, you are a service desk agent. If you don't pick my call in 1 minute or 2 minutes, the wait time will be 1 or 2 minutes. If you don't pick that between 1 or 2 minutes, the call will be missed. If you miss the call, the service will get a kind of black mark. Per a month, if you miss these many calls, then they don't give money. They will cut the money or they will put some penalty. Understanding my everyone?
Yes.
Anyone seen this kind of service desk track? Anyone seen it? Maybe Krishna sir, you seen it, sir? Maybe in your experience? No. Okay. So right now, so here it will be like this. Correct. Why I came to this point? Proactive, reactive. Reactive we understood. Proactive. Service desk. Okay. This one, password reset, right? So it's such a painful track for a service providers, because when you are managing a service desk project, there will be so many SLAs. Okay, if you get a call, receiving time 1 SLA. If you take that call, how long you need to stay? You should not stay hours and hours, because other calls will be waited. Okay, then resolution. So many SLAs will be there. So as such, it is such a painful thing to manage. 12 years back, 15 years back, service desk was like this. Okay, for an organization, 50, 100 people will be there in the service desk track, where they will be taking calls and then resolving the issues. Now, what happens is, there are so many advanced tools came into picture where we limited those people. So someone said, okay, password reset. Why a person is needed? Why can't we open a small bot here? Correct? So like this, right? I'll show you. Let's say this is my company network. Okay, so where I can access it from mobile also. Okay, something like I have like this, right? I'll just click it, right? Then I will type here, okay, forgot password, or I have an option here, forgot password. And if I say forgot password, okay, then it will ask the same questions what the agent is asking me. Okay, then I will give all these questions. Then finally it will say your password is reset after try 5 minutes. So these kind of advanced things came now. That is the reason these painful things are limited, minimized. Okay. Now, when we have this kind of painful things in our process, if you understand that kind of requirement and proactively create a problem and then fix those kind of issues, that problem will comes under proactive problem. They will be part of process improvement things. The problem is really not occurred, but we know that it's a problem. It will come as a problem. Identify that and then immediately first only fix it. Correct? Instead of getting an umbrella once it is rained, just get an umbrella before day and then use that like that. Correct, everyone? So what is the problem management life cycle? Okay, so these are the steps. New, understand it. Root cause analysis, we call it as a RCA, means dig into the problem, dig into the issue to identify what is exactly the issue. Okay, then once you understand the issue, then understand what is the fix and apply the fix. Test the fix. Once that is done, resolve it, and then finally confirm with the customers and audiences and then close this. These are the steps of problem management. Clear, everyone?